You're still listening. That means you're searching for answers, just like I was. Maybe you're hoping the story will end, that the fear will fade when the video stops. But some stories don't end. They echo. They haunt. They wait for someone else to listen. After that last night in the West Wing, I tried to return to my old life. I really did. I went to work. I answered my family's calls, told them I was fine. I even tried to laugh at myself in the mirror, to pretend the shadows in the corners of my room weren't watching. But the laughter never left me. It lingered in the quiet moments, in the hush before sleep, in the static between radio stations. Sometimes I'd catch my own reflection smiling when I wasn't.